Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of cockroach. Sprinkle a pinch of boric acid. Boric acid is believed to be one of the best home remedy for cockroaches. If you are wondering how to get rid of cockroaches with boric acid, just dust a little bit of this powder in corners and floors and let it sit. When roaches come in contact with it, they die. However, boric acid is not effective then it is wet. A word of caution: this powder is poisonous and should be kept out of reach of children and pets at all times. Baking soda is a convenient home remedy for cockroaches. Mix baking soda with sugar to make killer combination. This method is a classic example of the fish and bite as a solution for how to get rid of roaches. A concoction of baking soda and sugar is an effective cockroach killer and controls the multiplication of these pests. Sugar acts as a bite to attract cockroaches and the baking soda kills them. You just need to identify their hideouts and sprinkle this mixture in those corners. Home remedies for cockroaches recommended by Grandma. Neem. A salt water and peppermint oil spray act as a natural repellent. Neem has been used as a home remedy for cockroaches and other pests over the years. Neem oil or peppermint contains potent components that can kill cockroaches. To use it in oil form, mix a small amount of neem oil with water in a spray bottle and sprinkle it in place where you have spotted these pests. However, if you are using neem powder and you need to do is sprinkle it in cockroaches infested areas and repeat the process in the morning.